Hey guys, congratulations on your new Sentry bot. I just want to go over a quick video showing some assembly and some important things about him so that it doesn't break. So let's start with the arms. In the bags you'll find the arms. They'll be labeled. You'll see L or R written on the armor part so you know which part goes to which arm. So real quick, the arm, this is the bottom part, goes here. Just need to look to make sure it sits in with the magnets. Then on this side, it doesn't fit perfectly snug unfortunately, but I tried to do my best to get it to do so. Alright, so that's all of that. We'll put the shoulder armor after. This slides right in here. And then the shoulder bit, these two dots, these two screws face up. It's a little tricky. You just kind of go, bring it in across this joint right here. You might have to work and then kind of work it up and down a little bit, and it'll finally kind of lock into place with the magnets. When you rotate these arms, be very, very careful, because if you have to force it too hard, be gentle. Try to don't grab the actual armor, grab the base part with both hands to rotate and pose him. If you're pushing too hard to get something, it's gonna break. This guy's very delicate. This has limited range in the arm. You have to be careful back here. There's a piston. You see there's an actual piston back here, so when you try to rotate the arm, that may kind of bind a little bit sometimes. So you may need to shake it. But yeah, if you want to rotate the arm, just gently grab here and here. Try to limit grabbing the actual armor bits as little as possible, because they're thin and they can break. And you can position them like this. Actually, it's probably better to actually pose him when you actually have the guns on him. This gun in particular is delicate. It has a little wire here. Very easy to break, this little wire. So when you grab it from the rear of the housing. Don't grab it from the front. Place it in. You can rotate the gun, and from here you can probably a little bit easier position the arm. It also rotates down. Because it's resin, it tends to lose its ability to keep its position. So just bear that in mind. It's just the nature of the material. Resin is very, very brittle. If you have something sitting up like this and it just knocks over, if you have it sitting on the table and it knocks over, it'll break. So we put the other arm in. Again. So just make sure you get all the parts in the right places. Everything should pretty much lock into place with the magnets. Again, nothing should be forced. Missile arm. So as you can see, some of the joints don't respond as well. Don't hold their position as well. You're gonna just gotta work it until it holds its position. Leg armors, again, they'll be labeled. So you just put them, these just kind of slide right on. This one slides on. With the front armor goes first, then the head. So armor slides right in, we'll lock into place. Then the head, then the head armor will go into place. Same thing with this side on the shoulder. Kind of work a little bit until it fits in. Nothing, again, don't force anything because it will break. And then in the back here, to put on the rear leg armor, this one actually slides in from above. It has little nooks that actually cradle these little magnet points. So you're going to want to just come in from above, and you should feel it kind of snap in place. He has, some good articulation. When rotating the upper shoulder, it's important to bear in mind that he has pistons down here. These pistons are very delicate, So gently. He has very limited range. This is as far down as he can go, and that's as far up as he can go with the pistons. And finally, let's see. In order to pick this guy up, it's really important that you hold under here. He has a rear, all this stuff. There has a rear base here. You hold from the front and from the back. Don't try to really carry him by the legs if you can avoid it. But mainly all the pressure needs to be underneath him. But try not to put too much pressure on these hoses. They're not really designed to take weight. Think of it like a car, the undercarriage. This is where you want to lift him from. And you grab him when you want to place him somewhere. You just place him gently. And that should be pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys like it. And thanks for your patience.